It's recommended to clean your machine daily. Make sure to wear proper protective equipment such as goggles and gloves. First, put the machine in stop mode. Then push down on the tap lever to empty any remaining liquid. Once empty, turn off your machine and unplug it. Remove the lid and take off the tap by pressing in and pulling upwards. Remove the bowl by lifting the front until it unhooks. Gently pull the rear off the unit and remove the bowl gasket and mixer. Then, gently remove the mixer seal, drip tray, and air filter. Clean the air filter with a soft, dry brush. As a general note, clean the filter weekly. Clean the lid and evaporators with a mild detergent and a soft cloth or sponge. Rinse with water. Thoroughly wash all the other components using the 3-sink method. Wash, rinse, and sanitize. Place the parts on a clean surface to dry. Now put the drip tray and air filter back onto the unit. Attach the bowl gasket back into place on the rear of the bowl and lubricate with food-safe lubricant. Then, place the mixer seal on the unit and insert the mixer and rotate until the head hooks with the seal. Slide the bowl back onto the unit and gently push down until it hooks into place. Lubricate the bowl hooks and the tap seal wall. Assemble the tap and place it back on the hooks and click into place. Place the lid onto the machine and fill the bowl with water. Turn the machine on mix mode for 5 minutes and then empty the bowl. Your machine is now clean and ready for use. Some parts of your machine must be replaced by a specialized technician periodically or at least once a year. As a general note, you should not use the machine if one of the parts is defective or worn. Note that 6 and 12-month maintenance kits must be purchased to ensure the longevity of your machine. The shaft gasket and bushing and gasket with the O-ring set must be replaced every 6 months. The tap seal and bowl gasket must be replaced every 12 months. Each maintenance kit also includes a bottle of food-grade lubricant to keep the parts operating efficiently. Periodic maintenance is required to keep your machine running at peak condition.